Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn on how to solve some number series problems. So let's start. I have 10 problem here to work with. So let's start solving. So number 1. So we have a series of 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14. This type of series is called arithmetic series or sequence. Or sabihin natin sequence. This type of series is called arithmetic series. Okay, sabihin na series mas better. Arithmetic series. So I think I forgot the H here. I hope my spelling is right now. Arithmetic series. Yan nakalagay sa textbook ko. Ganyan yung spelling. So, this is series that is called arithmetic series. So, bakit siya tinawag na arithmetic? Basically, dahil add lang siya. Meron pa yung formula eh. Pero for this problem, we're just going to get the difference. So, para isolve tong problem na to, kung paano makita kung ano tong value ng blank na to, all we need to do is take the second term, let's call it n sub 2, it's 5, and i-minus natin sa take the difference of the term number 2 and the term number 1, which is 2. So we're just going to take this, the difference of this. So 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So, the difference is 3. So, ibig sabihin ng difference na yun is when you add, they're going to equal. So, lahat ng number series is meron siyang pattern. So, we have a pattern here. So, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5, right? 5 plus 3, it equals to 8. Plus 3 ulit, it's equals to 11. So, pag add natin ng 3 ulit sa 14, we're going to get, add natin ulit yung 11. So, yung 3 is 11, we get 14. And what if we add another 3? So, notice we have pattern. So, if we're going to add 3, they're going to be 17. Which is, yun yung sagot dun. Because we have the difference of 3. So, para mag-solve ng ganitong problem is just look for the difference or that formula. Pag sa arithmetic sequence, take the difference. You just need this. The second term and the first term. And you will get the answer. So, 17. So, next problem. This type of series is still called arithmetic series. Because as you can see, we have a pattern of plus 4, and plus 4, and plus 4. So, para pumunta dito sa kabila, you just need to add 4 again. So, we have 21. We're going to add 4 another. So, we got 25. And plus 4 another here. So, we got 29. So, that's the pattern. So, now, sa third problem. So, notice na it's still an arithmetic kahit difference, ano siya, pababa. So, if you're going to take the difference between this, so this will become n sub 2 minus n sub 1. Second term is 21 minus 25. So, 21 minus 25, this is 4. And then, mas malaki itong 25 and meron siyang negative sign. So, negative 4. So, negative 4 ang difference dito. Ibig sabihin, to go here, we need to minus 4. To go here, minus 4. To go here, we just minus 4. So, pupunta tayo dito, we need to minus 4. So, 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? It is 5. So 5. So, 1 minus 4 ulit. And 4. So, 1 minus 4. So, this is basically 1 minus 4 is just 3. And meron siyang negative. So, negative 3. kung alam niyo yung number line, over here. Got 0 here. 1, 2. This is the number line. Kapag nag-pass through ka sa 0, you will get negative numbers. So, this is 3. Okay, so number 4 na tayo. So, we're going to solve number 4. So, this type of problem is not arithmetic. So, notice na kapag in-add natin yung 3 ulit dito sa 6, that should be 9, right? So, this type of series is called geometric series or geometric sequence. Pero I think I prefer series right now kasi sa grade 10 sequence. Okay, so this type of series or sequence is called geometric. So notice na pumunta tayo sa 3 and 2, we're going to multiply by 2. So ang arithmetic is referent to plus and minus. Ang geometric is a multiplication. So we do not have division here, no? Wala tayong division. So 3 times 2 is 6. Notice this pattern. 6 times 2 is equals to 12. So 12 times 2 is equals to 24. So notice na sa 2 lang tayo bumabase. So 2 and 2. So kapag pinaims ulit natin yung 2 dito, we will get the answer in the blank. So 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. So we will get 48. That's our answer. Uy, mabubuli S. So we have 48. So ang formula para dito ay hindi difference. Ang formula dito, take the difference na n2 n sub 1. Pero dito is ratio ang pinabase. So we have ratio of r sub 2 or r sub 1, or you can just call it n ulit. So para makuha yung difference ng number 4 na to, so we're just going to get the second one, which is 6 over 3. So 2 ang sagot sa ratio. So that is it. Then basically calculate everything by taking the ratio. So next is number 5. So here in this problem, what's that? We're just going to multiply by 2. Where we're going to take the ratio. Let's take the ratio, please. So we have 12 over 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we got 3 as our ratio. So being 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So we just need to 36 times 3. 18, 6, 9, 10, 108. So good. The next problem. So hindi na tumigil yung video ko, balance. So this type of series is hindi siya geometric and arithmetic sequence. This type of sequence is, I don't know, pero you just need to look for pattern. So notice na kung alam niyo yung power, you're just going to do that. 1 squared is equals to 1. 2 squared is equals to 4. 3 squared is equals to 9. And 4 squared is equals to 16. So notice na ang pattern is pag nire-raise mo lang siya second power. So assume na lang natin na ang 5 squared ang sunod na term. So 5 squared is 25. So 25 na sagot dito. 6 squared is equals to 36. 7 squared is 49. So 36 and 49 yung sagot dito. Okay, sa'yo. Okay. So basically, ang power is just multiplying itself. Multiplying itself. So yung 1 squared is just 1 times 1, which is 1. Kaya 1 pa rin yung sagot dito. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Kasi 2 squared is equal to 4. They're the same. Let's say 4 squared. This is the same as 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So 16. So ganun yung meaning ng power. Let's take from number 8. So this is another pattern of number 7. So nandito na tayo sa number 7. 7 na ba? So binura ko lahat ng kanina. So okay, let's focus to number 7. So this is the same as earlier. This is just like exponents, yung 1 squared. 1 squared, 1, 2 squared, 4. So this just same as exponents. Pero in this case, hindi siya sa second power. They are on the third power. So it's basically like this: 1/3. 1/3 is what? This is like 1 times 1 times 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. Bring down the 1 here, 1. Tapos 1 times 1 is 1. So ganyan yung 1/3. So paano naman pag 2/3? It's basically just like this: 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Baba yung 2. And then 4 times 2 is 8. So 8. See here? It's 8. And tingnan natin sa 3 raised to the third power. So this is same as 3 times 3 times 3. So we're just going to multiply this. 3 times 3 is 9. Tapos multiply natin sa 3 ulit. 27. So as we can see, they have a pattern. Nakikita natin. So paano naman 4 raised to the third power? So this is basically same as 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Multiply another by 4. So 16 times 4 is what? So we're just going to do the long multiplication. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 1 plus 2 is 64. So 64. As you can see, they are the same. So that means may pattern na tayo. Kapag may pattern na tayo, we will assume na ganun din dito sa dalawang blanco na to. So this is 5 cube sa 1, 2, 3, 4 sa 4th term. Ganito nyo siya isusulat, okay? So 5 cube is same as 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25 times 5. This is 25 times 5. So we're just going to do this again. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 125. So we got 125, our A sub 4. And then we can just basically do the other thing. Yung 6 cube. It's the rest of it. So this is same as 6 times 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. And multiply another by 6 here. So 36 times 6 is 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3 is 21. So 216. So that's it. We're done on number 7. Dito naman tayo sa number 8. Tingnan muna natin yung pattern. Kung ano to. Okay. So, tingnan mo natin yung pattern. This is just like abstract reasoning per number series. So pumunta tayo dito. Pumunta tayo dito sa 6. We added 2. Nagpunta tayo dito sa 9. We added 3. Kasi 6 plus 3 is 9. Nagpunta tayo dito sa 9. At sa 13. We add 4. So, nagpunta rin tayo dito. We added 5. So, anong sunod dito? Of course, there's a pattern. As you can see, may pattern tayo guys. Every time na inad natin yung first term, magdadagdag tayo ng value sa ibaba on this sequence. It's amazing. So mag-add tayo ng 6 dito sa how many terms is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 term. So 18 plus 6. So magbilang lang tayo. 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. So got 23. 23 plus 6. I mean 7. So this is 30. And then we're going here again. We are just going to add 8. So this will become 38. That is the pattern of this. Okay, so next number tayo. Sa number 9 na tayo. Tingnan muna natin kung ano yung pattern niya. Okay, so nagpunta tayo dito. Nag-add tayo ng dalawa. Tapos mapupunta tayo dito. What's the difference between these three? So what is 13 minus 9? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. Galit tayo ng 4. Pero what the hell? Look at this jump. The fuck? What the hell is this now? 27 minus 13. Sorry guys for my mouth. So 7, this will become 1. This will become 4, 14. We added 14. It's a massive jump. This is not a sequence. Oh, I think I have mistaken something. We should put a 9. Okay. So this is a problem method. This is a mistake. The original problem was this. Let me just write this. 7, 9, 13, 27. It should be 19. That was 27. Yes. And then couple of blanks. Wait, guys. Here you go. So on this problem, we cannot see a pattern because look at this, it jumps around. So this is the real problem for number 9. So napunta tayo dito, we just need to add 2. Pupunta tayo dito, we added 4. Pupunta tayo dito, we added. So what's the difference between this? We added 6. So paano pag mapupunta tayo dito? Notice na difference dito is 2, difference dito is 2, therefore ang difference dapat dito is 2 rin. So I think, let's say 8. This pagpunta tayo dito, we're going to get 8. So we need to take another difference here ng 2. So this will become 10. So going here, we need to add 10. And to go here, we need to add 12. To go here, we need to add 14. So 27 plus 10 is 37. 37 plus 12, so we're just going to get 37 plus 10 is 47 plus 2 is 49. There you go. And then next we're going to add, what is this number? 14. Okay, so we're going to add 14. So there you go, let's add it. So what is 49 plus 14? So 9 plus 4 is 13. 563. So this is 63 as our final term. So that's the answer for number 9. This is a mistake, guys. What kind of stuff is that? So that's it. So next problem is number 10. It's our, so as you can see, this is this is fractions, no? So we can see the pattern agad here. Pumunta tayo dito, we just added 2. We added 2. We added 2. We added 2. We added 2 again. So of course, we're going to add 2 again. That's a pattern. And then we're just going sa baba. So pumunta tayo dito, we added 3. Punta tayo dito, we added another 3. So therefore, it will just go on. We'll just keep adding 3 hanggang makarating tayo dito. So 19 plus 3 is 22. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And there you go. That's how to do some number series stuffs.